that's top level sound system that you can't buy that. You have to earn that. I happen to have an extra Bluetooth radio lying around pretty much for this kind of situation, in case I ever buy a car where the radio officially doesn't work. And we're gonna put this in, see if the sound gets any better. So we took out the old radio and it had a 12-pin entrance, but I don't know, whoever installed this other radio used an adapter, and that adapter goes to this, I don't know what exactly it's called, I think it's a OBD something. But these happen to fit exactly on my new radio, which is really cool. And also that means the rear radios will work again, because this version can take rear radios and this version just doesn't have enough pins for that. So we open up the speakers and they've kind of rotted away. That might explain why the speaker sound is so bad. And probably the same happened to the rear speakers because we basically can't hear anything from those. So we'll have to replace the speakers, but oh well. Here we're on the other door. You can see this is supposed to have like a rubber ring all around, but these are the original speakers probably still in here. So that rubber is just crumbling away. The speakers are completely missing, so that's probably why they didn't work. So we bought a pair of these well actually we bought two small versions of these JVC speakers for in there. And then we bought a pair of big ones that are going to go in the back over there, but we're going to install the front ones first, because for the back ones we need to put new wiring. Original speakers were attached with a plug, but these new speakers are just attached with the standard speaker plugs. So we're just going to cut this and then attach these wires to it, and then everything will fit beautiful. Good news, we managed to find these wires. They just happen to be way down there. So we don't actually have to make a wire go all the way down the side of the car, and hopefully we can also find the ones that are supposed to be on this side. Yeah, I also found the ones that are supposed to go on this side, which means we've got two speakers. To prevent dust coming in the back probably, or maybe soundproofing, there's some kind of foam here covering where the speakers would normally be, but since the speakers were not installed, sound didn't need to come through these grills. But we're installing speakers now, so we'll have to remove this. Turns out it's just this like semi-fake leathery padding that is basically blocking this, so just have to cut it out over here and then it will be fine. One of these screws is slightly smaller for some reason, so I just skipped it and it's still stuck in there quite securely. The owner added these like little, I don't know, mics or something. I think that they were car mics. They were attached all the way up on this hook here. But now we're just going to remove them the best way I know how, by cutting them off. Okay, so we're here in the Del Sol. Over there is the BX. And the radio and all the speakers have been installed. I know it's a bit late and a bit dark, but hey, there it is. It looks super cool with this thing that slides it away, and then when we activate it and it glows blue in the dark. Right, put the volume down. Sound is very good. We got sound from that way. We got sound from down there, from down there, from back there, and back there. So yeah, we can go all the way to air rape. We have auxiliary mode, which is an aux cable, and Bluetooth, which should technically now play from my Bluetooth phone. All my jams, except it probably doesn't work because I'm recording. But yeah, I'm very happy with this. I can now drive around. I have sound everywhere. Works really well even when I have the roof off in the back. I would say the roof down, like in a convertible, but it's not really the roof down, is it? I mean, it's more the roof off. Anyway, I digress. Really cool thing. Just close it up like that. Perfection. Well guys, that was it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to leave a like down below and maybe consider subscribing to the channel. There's a lot more coming on the Del Sol. It has a lot of little things that need fixing, but I'm going to take my time and just do it right.